wannabes, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashlyn and this is my husband Diego. Today we're going to share our journey on why we're full-time RVing in our 30s.
It's been a wild ride, but we're just going to tell you why we made this decision and why it could be right for you too. So, why did we decide to go full-time RVing in our 30s? For starters, we both like to travel. And I've always wanted to live out of an RV.
It's also about paying off our debt faster and saving money for our future home.
And this lifestyle gives us the freedom to chase our travel dreams.
And your first big step is to pick a date.
It wasn't easy for us, but we did it anyway. At first, for us, it felt like timing was never right. We started second guess our date, everything we had planned, and then I got injured. That injury was extremely unexpected. It put me out of work for 2 months, and it made us realize what we really wanted to prioritize in our lives, and traveling and getting ahead of our finances just were the two top priorities.
With his injury and our lease ending, it just felt like a nudge in the right direction. We also prayed really heavily about what our next steps should be, and doors started to open. The biggest thing we've learned from watching all of our favorite YouTubers is that there's multiple ways to make income while on the road.
Two of the most popular ones were remote work and camp gigs. So what a camp gig is essentially being a camp host and working at an RV park. That's what we'll be doing for the remainder of 2025, and really getting to live somewhere really cool, Missoula, Montana, which is close to so many national parks, while also getting to explore a town that we think could be our home base for the future.
And that starts in April.
On top of that, I also forgot and then remembered that I'm certified to be a teacher, and there's a lot of remote possibilities for that, from tutoring to curriculum coordinator, things like that, that I just kind of forgot about. Like, it wasn't something on my mind, being that I had been a handyman for the last 2 years, but it's definitely on my mind now and something I'm gonna look into.
So let's talk about packing. If you're like us, you got a lot of shit and it can't all fit in your RV. So your next step is to, little by little, room by room, start going through all of your stuff, because it can't all go with you. What we did is we heavily relied on Goodwill and Facebook Marketplace. We sold a ton of stuff, which helped kind of save up for all the RVing that we want to do. And you probably got a Diego in your life if you're doing this full time. And men, they're always worried about the weight of it all. So they won't let you take all your stuff anyways. So let's start organizing. So we've been on the road for a little over a month now, and as you can see, we still brought a lot of stuff with us. Our plan is to use these buckets and some vacuum sealed bags to really get like our winter clothes out of the way, because we're in Texas and it's barely winter right now. So we just want to get all of this buttoned up and squared away. That way we can put it in the back of our truck and worry about it for winter.
Honest to God, Ash is not the only one that has a lot of shit to get rid of. I have a lot of tools. And while some of these will make the trip still to Montana with us to help us with property maintenance for our work and RV maintenance and car maintenance, a lot of these will be sold or simply stored here with family so that we don't have to carry them with us.
So we know this lifestyle isn't forever, which is why you need to come up with an end game. Our end game is to have enough money saved up for a down payment.
While we want to travel, we want to explore, we're also using this as an opportunity to find the right place for us. We've been in Seattle, we've been in Houston, both great cities, but not forever. So our goal with this traveling is to find our home.
Yeah. So, wannabes, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe so we can make more content just like this.
See you later.